This video is sponsored by TrackMotive. 3 great lines, 1 great company. Visit trackmotive.com for more information.
When drivers complain about vibration, noise, or shudder under load, the CV axle often takes the blame. It's a logical assumption. After all, CV axles are among the most common wear components in the driveline. But sometimes the real issue lies deeper, the intermediate shaft. The intermediate shaft connects the transmission to the CV axle, providing balanced power delivery to both front wheels. By doing so, it helps reduce torque steer and ensures smoother, more consistent handling, especially in front-wheel drive vehicles. A failing shaft can cause clunking, highway vibration, or premature axle wear. These symptoms often overlap with bad axles, leading to misdiagnosis. Due to their appearance as a fixed part of the drivetrain, the intermediate shaft can easily be overlooked. However, they rely on an incorporated bearing to support one end in order to prevent uneven loading on the transaxle bearings. Understanding the symptoms of a worn intermediate shaft can save time, money, and frustration. Clicking in turns? Likely the CV axle. Noise in straight line driving or vibration under load? Suspect the intermediate shaft. Play at the bearing support? The intermediate shaft is the culprit. If the problem still exists after an axle replacement, the intermediate shaft is likely the cause. Overlooking this critical part can lead to repeat comebacks and unnecessary part replacements. Proper diagnosis not only resolves the issue faster, but also keeps customers satisfied and confident in the repair. As part of the diagnosis on any drivetrain repair, always make sure to isolate the sound to verify if it's coming from the intermediate shaft. Often, you only need to replace the intermediate shaft if the CV axle is not damaged, which will save the customer money and the shop valuable diagnostic time. Fix the cause, not the symptom. Thanks for watching.